How involved are you with your shop? Are you coming in every day? Do you feel like you can't step away? Ever? As a shop owner, your goal is to have a well-run and operational business. A shop you feel comfortable stepping away from for a week, a month, or longer. A shop where you don't need to be there 24/7. Having a plan to become operational is one of the most significant actions you need to take today. Drive can help you make that happen. As a Drive client, our master coaches will look at these questions with you. Do you have a team you trust? What policies do you have in place to ensure your shop runs smoothly? Can you hand off the day-to-day tasks to someone else? If not, why? Do you have a long-term plan for your shop? Are you allowing yourself to live your life to the fullest? These are just a few crucial aspects of becoming an operational shop. With the expert guidance from Drive, each area will be tackled, from securing a trusted team to letting you take a deserved long vacation without worry. Listen as this Drive client talks about how Drive's advice allowed them to build their business exactly the way they want.
Drive has helped me become operational by giving me the training to actually run a business instead of just work in the business.
Contact Drive today, and together we will work toward your operational future. Drive, celebrating 30 years of helping shop owners just like you.